Hi everyone! Thank you for watching my videos. I hope you enjoy them. It's been a hot and humid summer in Japan. One of my morning routine is to make iced tea with using my own brand, YUCa's tea. I also serve it to my cooking class guests, and they love it so much that some of them buy it after the class. It makes me really happy. Do you drink tea? What kind of tea do you drink? Please let me know from the comment box. This year marks the 13th year of my cooking classes. I had to suspend them during the pandemic, but recently I've been welcoming guests from all over the world, and it feels like I'm traveling the world every day. Recently, I've been getting more opportunities to collaborate with great brands. One of them I'd like to introduce to you today is Musubi Kiln. All items are carefully handcrafted by artisans across Japan. The name Musubi means to connect, reflecting their missions to bring people and cultures through the beauty of Japanese craftsmanship. Their online store is full of wonderful items like donabe, Japanese clay pots, cooking tools, chopsticks rests, ramen bowls, and more. I'll put the link in the description box below, so be sure to check it out. This time, they kindly provided me with a beautiful tableware set that's perfect for a traditional Ichiju Sansai, 1 soup, 3 dishes meal. Isn't it pretty? If you think so, please hit the like button and let me know. I'll be planning some meal ideas using these dishes and posting them on Instagram as well. So please follow me there if you don't have it already. This is a scene where I'm making miso soup. At home, I always just make the base of miso soup and change the toppings for each family member. My son likes to add tofu and wakame seaweed, and my husband and I like to add thinly sliced spring onions. My daughter, aka Supervisor Suichan, she likes colorful gluten, which is packed with vegetable protein. She seems to be at the age where she likes cute things. And for dinner, I cannot live without natto, a Japanese superfood. It's fermented soybeans. I've heard that it's more effective to eat it at night than at breakfast. I feel like it helps me wake up better the next day and feel better. In addition to miso soup, the main dish was a stew of chicken, eggs, and radish made using ingredients left over from the cooking class. And side dishes included potato salad made in a Japanese mold and pesto to suit children's tastes, komatsuna and bean sprout, namo, the salad, and some boiled kelp to accompany the rice. And the next day, a guest from the cooking class brought back a wonderful souvenir. This guest used to be a dancer at Tokyo Disney Resort. Meeting people from all over the world is truly a precious experience, and I am grateful every day. On nice afternoons, I like to quickly clean up after a cooking class and photograph the recipes for my blog. Since I prefer to photograph food in natural light, checking the weather has become part of my daily routine. But since my kids come home around 3:30 p.m. and sometimes I need to take my daughter to her extracurriculars, it takes a bit of juggling to find a solid 1.5 to 2 hours of uninterrupted time during the week. if I don't prioritize, well, things can get hectic. By the way, the Sarodon I'm making here is one of my all-time favorites. It's full of vegetables, and I used crispy thin fried noodles this time. They have such a light, crunchy texture. Thicker noodles work great too. I'll post a recipe on my blog, so please give it a try.
皆さんこんにちは、スイです。
And lastly, here's someone you know well. Supervisor スイちゃん。
YUCaジャパニーズクッキングのママとコラボしてます。イエーイ。今日は
She just turned 5. When I asked her what she wants to be when she grows up,
じゃあ今
she
日は折り
said,
紙をやります。
I want to be a
オレ
YouTuber.
ンジとこの色。
Well, good luck, スイちゃん。
思いますので。
That's it for today's update. Did you enjoy it? Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or video requests. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye bye!